Hello everyone, welcome back for another Sunday idea. This time I am making a thank you card and I'm still working on sketches in the annual catalog, and I'm working with two other demonstrators for a hop, so make sure you check out their posts and watch their videos. For today's card, I'm going to use sketch 14 on page 22 of the annual catalog. I'm going to use the Spotlight on Nature set, specifically the thanks and the flowers. I have a strip of white that's a 1/2 inch by like 3.5. This is a white and it is 2 1/4 by 4. I have a piece of blue that's 2 1/2 by 4 1/4. I have another piece of blue. This is Misty Moonlight, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. My pattern paper is the Country Lace, and I'm using the denim pattern. And this is, I think it's, 3 3/4 by 5. My card base is A2 size, my envelope, and I'm using my markers to color my images so I get the colors. Sorry about that, somebody was at the door. All right, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a scrap paper to put my panel on, and I'm going to ink these up so I can stamp them. Now, if you want more color than this, you can take a blender pen and bleed out the color. All right, so there's my flowers. Now I'm going to do my leaves. I have done this bleeding colors before. I'm not going to for this one. There's a lot of blue on here, so I'm going to leave it. All right, now the trick is to get this on here, and I'm going to go at a kind of an angle so I get more of the flower on there. All right, there we go. See, I only lost a little bit. All right, so there's that. I'm going to set that aside to dry. The next thing I need is I need to do my sentiment, and I'm going to do my sentiment in, and I'm thinking this may not, in Misty Moonlight, sorry. I'm thinking this might not be wide enough. Let's see. Not bad. All right. Got to come down on the one side. I'll try it again. The other side's not bad. You always have two sides. So if you mess up, stamp it again. And if it's worse than the other one, use the first one. All right, so that I'm going to stay with because it works. All right. Now, let's get our card put together, and I'm thinking I might find a piece of Misty Moonlight to go behind it. And I forgot my gems again. Oh my gosh. All right. Let me grab the other pieces while these are drying a little longer. Okay. Got it. Let's get our card put together. There's that piece. I'm going to add that to my card front. I always make sure I've got it opening the right way. I have been known to put my panels on upside down. All right, now this one goes on next. And I'm going to pop this panel up. on dimensionals. So let me add my dimensionals. Yep, that one came off. And I need to cut some more. I picked up the Tinsel Gems 3-pack because it has Misty Moonlight pieces in there. So I'm figuring I'm going to use that on my card. All right, there's that. And I need 2 more. One up here. Yeah, I keep losing those. They keep coming off. There's that. And there's that. Now let me get rid of these. All right. And I'll take my backs off. Adding dimension with your card makes it stand out. If you've ever looked at cards at Hallmark, they're flat. So pop it up and give it some pizzazz. All right, now this goes in the middle. All right. And this, it actually is supposed to go across the whole panel, and it's supposed to be up here. I'm moving it down since I have, it would hide my flowers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, this piece is 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to flag the end, and I did it the wrong way. Okay. All right, that's all right. It's long enough that I don't have to worry about it. Okay, and it's not exactly straight. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go this way. All right, that's better. And then this piece, I'm going to flag it the same way. Just to give it some interest. Now I'm going to put that on. This is the side I'm using. I had to stop and think. And I'm going to flip it over because I was using the other side. So I'm going to put this here. And that's too wide. Give me a minute. I'm going to cut it down just slightly. That's better. I just took a little sliver off. All right, now I'm going to put this on here. And I'm watching my spacing. I'm making my spacing at the top and bottom and sides as close to being the same as I can. All right, now this I'm going to put on. I will put dimensionals on the end, but I'm going to put tape in the middle because I've already got this popped up. I don't want it popped up too much. Well, there it goes again. And let me cut another strip. All right. Yeah, it stuck to me. All right. Now, this is going to go on like so. Let me get this on here straight so I can put this on straight. Like so. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to pull out my gems. And let's see. I think I'm going to use the big ones. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a corner. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. So I just put a little bit in the corner. And I can put this away and get it out of here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull in my scrap paper again, and I'm going to use my stamp. I'm going to do the envelope first, because then I can use a second generation on the inside of the card. So it's not so dark and won't interfere with writing your message. Now, when I make my cards, I don't usually put anything inside, because that way they can be used however you want. And how about you? Do you use, I'm gonna come down here. All right, I'm gonna go this way a little. Do you use a sentiment inside your card? Leave me a message below and let me know. All right, so there we go. The inside in the envelope. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous evening. Bye.